Your personal item bag is the most important bag that you will take on your travel adventure because it's the one that will stay with you. So even though you're putting another bag in the overhead bin, your personal item bag will stay with you right underneath the seat in front of you. And if for some reason, they've got to get somebody's medical device on that plane and they need to gate check your bag, you want to make sure that your personal item bag has everything you need to maybe get you through a few days of travel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prioritize what to put in that personal item bag. So let's get started. I'm Eunice and I've been traveling for almost 50 years and learning the hard way so you don't have to. On this channel, I'm going to have the best gear and hacks to keep you prepared for anything on your travel adventures. Let's go. I think of my personal item bag as kind of like a large purse because it's going to have everything I need, including things like my wallet, my passport, my phone, batteries, and things like that. But you also want to think about some other things like what are you going to need if for some reason they were to gate check your bag and lose it or lose your checked baggage, and you want to make sure you have some of those things with you. Number one, you want to make sure that you always carry things like prescription medication in your personal item bag. You don't want that lost. It's something that you rely on to be able to be healthy, so you want to make sure that's with you. And ladies, if you're going to have it, make sure it's in a clear bag like this. Everyone should have it in a clear bag, but ladies, use a stadium bag like this. This allows you to have it in there. It's clear. They can see everything. Plus, this little bag is going to act like a little extra purse in my travel adventures. So if I decide to go to a concert or something, I have a little stadium bag to take with me, so it's dual purpose. Number two, the next thing you want are things that are maybe expensive, like jewelry or maybe some sort of electronics like a drone or something, or an expensive camera that you might be taking with you. You want to make sure you have that with you on your personal item. Again, in case they gate check your bag, you want to make sure that you have that on you. Now, if it's large things that you may not be able to fit in your personal item bag, you can put that in your overhead checked luggage. But what I always do then is carry something like this. This is a folding bag that I can unfold and say, look, you want to gate check that bag. I've got something with lithium ion batteries in it. You'll need to take it out, put this in here, and then hopefully there's enough room in the overhead bins for them to finagle getting maybe a computer. For example, I do not carry my computer in my personal item bag because it's heavy, and I tend to put that in my overhead luggage, and I'll let them know, hey, I've got a computer in there. I need to put that in here, and then I can either shove this in the seat pocket or put it somewhere in an overhead bin where there's a little bit of space. So always have a little extra bag. Plus, it acts as an extra bag on your travel adventures for laundry or grocery shopping. Always good to have a little extra bag. The next thing I always carry is a towel. I always carry a small towel because I can use it to cover up if I'm cold. Plus, on my travel adventures, it's always nice to have a towel if I want to go to a yoga class or if I'm going swimming or something like that, that I have a towel with me. I keep it in a small bag like this, and it doesn't take up much room. Plus, it helps keep it, from getting wet all over if it happens to be a little bit damp when I'm coming home. So a towel is multi-purpose, multifunctional, a great thing to take with you on your travel adventures. This next item is something I did a separate video on, and this is my Ultra Minis toiletries bag. This bag is something that will get me through almost a week, and everything is in here. I will link that video up here or in the video description so you can take a look at what I pack in my little Ultra Minis toiletries bag that gets me through just about a week. But always have some small toiletries on you, so that way if your flight is delayed or canceled, you have a way to get cleaned up and get through your travel adventure even for a few days with this. I always bring my Kindle with me because I want to read. My new thing at night is, instead of looking at social media where things are like sometimes getting me upset, I like to have my Kindle. I can download hundreds of books on this thing. And if you're a family, you can load everyone's books on one Kindle. And for children, it's a great way to pass time. If you're at an airport and stuck for a long time, reading is a great way to pass time. So you can put all kinds of books on here. I highly recommend this book. This book was written by my dad. It's about my mom's life in Japan growing up during the war. It's a great read, so I highly recommend this read. But a Kindle is a great thing. Hundreds of books in this slim little profile, and I keep mine in a little cover like this. It's waterproof. That way I can read it anywhere, and if something gets a little spilled on it, I know it's protected. All right, this last thing that I'm going to show you is probably the most important, and it's probably the largest, but it's important. And that is this right here. This is my packing cube. This has all kinds of things in it that will get me through a week. So let me show you what's in it. Let's start with this pocket here. This pocket has a hairbrush and my electric toothbrush. I like my electric toothbrush because at this age, my teeth really are important to me. It's something that I've noticed a lot of people as they get older have issues with their teeth, so I'm going to want to make sure that I have my electric toothbrush. And this way I know I can have my teeth nice and clean on my travel adventures. And I keep the top in just this little bag just to make sure it stays really, really clean. So I just don't want to pack it in my carry-on. If they were to check it and I were to lose that, I'd be really upset. So I like to have my hairbrush and toothbrush with me in here. Going on to the other side over here, this is my ultra mini toiletries kit. I can get through almost a week of cleaning myself up with this little kit right here. And so that goes in here, so I have something. If they lose my luggage, I have something to be able to get me through so I can continue on my travel adventures. And that just goes right in these little pockets. What's nice about these pockets is they have these little zippers, so you can put water bottles in them when you're traveling. In this front pocket here, I have underwear and bras. So I have an underwear and bra in there so I can change. And in this pocket here, I have my ball cap, because I always like to have a ball cap with me, or some sort of hat. A pair of no-show socks, so I could change my socks, and my folding travel slippers. And no, these folding travel slippers do not come with these little things. These are actually little hair clips that I can use on my hair or on my clothing, but I put them on here for safekeeping. But they dress up these little shoes, so if I had to go out with something a little dressier, this kind of dresses these up nicely. And so those go right in here, and they're nice and protected in my little pocket here. So that keeps all of that in there. Now we're going to go into the larger pocket, and what do I have in here? Well, I have a couple of scarves. This is a small square scarf. As you can see, it's just as nice and basic, but I like silk scarves. They always add a nice pop of color. I think a scarf dresses everything up, so I always bring scarves. This one is a longer one. It's a nice long scarf that I can actually use as a belt or to drape over my shoulders. So another silk scarf. I also have in here a pair of shorts that are actually swim trunks. So they have a underwear in here so that I can wear them as swim trunks, but I can also wear these out just for my daily adventures. I really like that. This is double duty. It acts as shorts and as a swim trunk. Then I have, my vitamins. I always bring a little bit of vitamins with me. I don't necessarily want the whole thing of vitamins. I'll put that in my roller bag. But this way, again, if they lose it, I have some little things of vitamins right here with me. This is my tankini top for swimming. But because it's so cute, I can also wear this as a top with these shorts going out. So it's, again, double duty. It can be a tank top, or it can be a swim bathing suit top. And the last thing I have in here is my merino wool dress. I always take a merino wool dress with me because it's so versatile. I can wear it around in my room. I can wear it down to the spa. I can wear it and dress it up for any occasion. So all of that fits into this bag, and it'll get me through several days depending on what I'm wearing. So these all coordinate. All of these things will coordinate with what I'm wearing on the plane to give me several outfits in case they lose my luggage. Now, I had to learn the hard way. When I went to Dubai, they lost my luggage for 4 days, and I ended up standing in the shower trying to clean my clothes off every day so I had something clean to wear. So that all fits in here, and then this again becomes my day bag. So I just pull out of here the little strap that's in here. See, this will hook up to left or right side and become a nice little crossbody bag for me to use during the day, but it's a packing cube in my personal item. Now, if you're wondering, where do you keep your wallet and your phone and maybe your earbuds? Well, I wear a jacket with lots of pockets because I want to make sure that all of those things that I want to get to while I'm on the plane, that I use a lot, are actually in those pockets. So I don't have to keep reaching down into that personal item bag all the time. That way, if someone puts their seat back, the person in front of me puts their seat back, I'm not kind of trapped and I can't get into that bag most of the time. So this is going to allow me to have all those things, everything that's going to make me comfortable on the plane, whether it's a scarf, my iPad, I'll put that into a Ziploc bag and put that in the seat pocket in front of me so it stays nice and clean. But my ear pods, things like that, batteries, all of those kind of things kind of go into my pockets so I can get to them really easily and not have to worry about asking the person in front of me to please put your seat up so I can get into my bag. Now you can see that my personal item bag carries all the important things with me, will get me through a few days or more on my travel adventures if they lose my luggage, and that really helps eliminate the stress of travel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to find more travel hacks to help you on your travel adventure, because travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.